Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco in a Wildtrak trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and with the Sasquatch package giving you some larger 35-inch tires on some beadlock rims. You also get some bigger fender flares, and up front you have the modular steel bumper with the added brush guard. Running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. 4-door with the soft top. You also have the side graphics of the Wildtrak trim. Full-size spare matching the Sasquatch package on the back, and looking into the rear with the swing-out tailgate. You have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have tie-down points here with little lassos on them, and a 12-volt power outlet. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a partial leather and ActiveX interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as USB and USB-C and 110-volt power outlet there, as well as your window controls. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, navigation, phone and radio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out there. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a back-up camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle. And above that you have some of your 4x4 controls. You have front and rear locking differentials, as well as trail turn assist, so it'll help you make a tighter turn in certain situations. Traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have a mounting point for an accessory rail if you want to have like a GoPro or something up here, as well as a slot with USB and USB-C so you can charge that device or power it. And moving down you have your media controls with your camera view again, including your forward facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Below that you have a USB and USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got a grab handle, as well as having one on either side of the vehicle so you can hold on to. Then your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your 4x4 selector with 4 auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, and your GOAT modes or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and Baja, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you've got your window and mirror controls, because of course the doors are removable, so you still want to have that. And then your center locking compartment slash armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, and a 12-volt power outlet so you can plug something in from there too. And of course, this being a Bronco, you can take off the doors, you can fold back the soft roof, or take it off entirely, but that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.